Okay, web driver here. I've got about a 30,000 pound load. I'm gonna take this over to this construction site here. This is a pretty common scenario for commercial drivers. They have to back into construction sites like this in downtown areas all the time, especially flatbeds. So in this case, I need to get around this side of the block, so when I'm coming in, I can do a side back. It's your blind side if you got to swing your trailer off to your right side where you're not sitting. You're sitting on the left side. So this way I can hang my head out the window and see my trailer coming back into this dirt area. So I boosted my horsepower because it's going to be tough getting up these hills with all the weight. When you're shifting heavy trucks in games like this, you want to wait quite a bit when you're in the neutral area or holding the clutch still to let your RPMs fall. You need a pretty slow shift time for smooth driving. And that's true for real trucks because they don't have synchronizers, so you have to let the output shaft of the engine slow down enough to let that gear mesh in. I'm going to zoom out my camera just a little here. Can't quite see that whole mirror. So I finally got a sim wheel, the Logitech G920, and I'm absolutely loving it. Tried driving a load with 2 steel pipe stacks on it earlier and it was way too heavy. I just couldn't get up the hills. Kept stalling out. Lucky green light. Gotta love it. Yes. The lights are lining up today. Never expected to fall into this sim racing thing. I just started playing with BeamNG and I thought it was really cool. You can do a lot of creative things. The controller was not cutting it though. Once I got this wheel, I was totally hooked. It's my first day with it and I just can't believe that I haven't done this sooner. It's so much fun. Okay, so one thing I have not figured out is they call this a 10-speed transmission. Yet when I hit 5th gear, I'm going highway speeds. So I'm not sure where the other 5 gears are. It could be that you split each of these gears, and that could be part of the reason I'm struggling to accelerate. But if I look under the start, why are they slowing down? What am I looking at? Seeing things. Well, that car's going into my wheel. Ah, you gotta go around. And we got a whole traffic jam. Go around. Alright. We're gonna see how good his insurance is. Oh, goodness. They're all lining up. Oh, somebody's gonna get swept under. Oh, I made it out clean. I gotta leave the scene of the crime. Boy, 30 miles an hour feels fast. What is this? I accidentally just recovered my vehicle. This is all we got. Don't honk at me. Alright, stopping on these hills is really difficult. But I have a little cheat going on. I have a little clutch assist to prevent stalling, because I could just not get these loads to get moving. Right, looks like my block's coming up here. I need to loop around to the right at this intersection. Let's see if I can set this up like I would do it in real life. If I get clear traffic to the right, then that'll be good. Okay. I'm gonna give it a go. So basically just swing out and take this as wide as I can get. And I got lucky with traffic. Check on the trailer. Yeah, so that was a perfect turn. In the real world, you often turn onto more narrow streets, so you have to set up before the turn even wider to the left. Okay, so this block to the left has our construction site. I don't know what gear I just accidentally hit, but second gear is the best we're gonna get, and it's not even gonna work right now. Oh geez, you're kidding me. Second gear doesn't work. Alright, we're going first gear up this thing. What is this car in front of me gonna do? Yep. Yo, left turn. They do not yield on their left turns. Okay, so this is where all the setup happens. What was that? Oh no, it's not. I have to make another left turn. That car was speeding. Okay, this is where all the setup happens. So you'd probably stop here and speak to somebody, and they would come out and watch over things. But you really can't stop traffic with so much, so if anyone comes through, it's gonna be a realistic simulation. Yep, we got one coming right now. So they often don't know what you're doing. Oh, they're at a red light though, so we're good. But by the time I get this thing moving backwards, they're gonna be trying to get past me. That is full throttle. I may not have cut this hard enough. Okay, nope. You know what? Somebody's behind me. That is not my problem. You ran straight into me. Oh, come on. They're just ramming me now. I'm not happy with this. Yeah, sorry, car. I got work to do. Oh, what am I doing? I'm not used to this third-person view thing. Woo! We just missed that dumpster. Okay, now set the parking brake. Get out, and then you go talk to the boss of the site right here. Alright, ding dong. Pipes are here, wood's here. And that's a wrap. There's my little construction site challenge, which I had challenges with. And I'm not gonna pretend that I did that flawlessly. But thanks for watching. WebDriver out.